in paradise on behalf of Amy Rose and Mary-Louise. Who's got some do-re-mi?
300.
Right, I should probably ask for a mulligan at 300. You know the neighbours will lynch me at that number.
Started.
Yeah, no, of course. I'm just having a little bit of fun. Okay, at 300,000 we are underway. Not like mine, but at 300,000 with my good lady, centre stage. At 350, welcome. What about you, man? 400? 400 on the nod. Thank you. At 400 family are on the phone, which is good. At 450. At 450 at it now.
625.
625. See, we land on that 5/8 of $1 million, and good on you at 625. At 625 at it now, who's got another 5? Any obliges at 630. At 630 at it now. I'm chasing down a little deep sea diver, but at 630,000, fairly bidded down.
635.
635. Wish I had more to sell to. They're all nice people around here, aren't they? At 635. Well, I don't like to see anyone lose. But at 635, sir, 640. 45 if you will, but first call in the gentleman's favour at 640.
642.
642. 642. Sir, would you put up 44? Beautiful. Star Wars fan just like me, and may the fours be with you at 644. You're a Star Wars fan. Chris.
45.
Yeah, 45, of course, at 45. Keep on shortening my stride, but that's okay. It's okay. At 645. 46 on the nod. At 6, because usually when I leave, people are happier, eh? And they find more money. I'll just have a conversation with the family on the phone. I'll be back to you very soon. That's it up. Yeah, put it on the market. Right out. So we're on the market, and I offer finality for the want of another bid at 600. Gentleman's way out back on the telephone. That's the bookie or the banker, sir, at 646. Should I ask for 500? Oh, 650. Okay. At 650. 651 though, at 651. Take another 4 all day long, but at 651,000. Loving your work. At 3, 2, 1. 651,000. It is going. It is sold to you, sir. Well done.